Jesus Christ. Oh my God.
Damn.
Dude, that was like such a... That happened so slow.
It was his fault?
I honestly, I don't know. It was a stop, so I mean, it's kind of both of their faults because neither of them could go, so...
That's crazy.
You know, it's just you kind of have to just yield to whoever. So,
Yeah.
but he hit her T-bone, so I feel like he is the one that's like should have stopped.
Yeah.
Like he just like hit her so hard, like. You okay? Yeah, you okay?
I'm
Okay.
okay.
Yeah, well. Hope. Did he leave?
No, I think he's still there.
Okay. Yeah, go talk to him. Get the insurance.
My God.
I used to fight people like that. Like whenever people do stuff like that, I just like want to fight people. Look,
Oh my gosh.
she's driving me crazy.
Get out of
Yeah,
here.
you need some saving.
Wow. Wow.
But sit. Oh!
So Rocky can survive and then Pete's gonna die? Oh my God! And luckily, woo, 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 woo.
There you go. There you go. There you go. What's up? What you want to do? You.
Generation 10G network, and it's only from Xfinity. The future starts now. Now through March 21st, new customers can get 200 megabit Xfinity internet during a limited time. Oh, California has limited pipeline capacity.
When we can't bring in more gas, and we don't have as much storage capacity as we used to have, in part due to some other accidents, that's really put us in a bad situation when we hit a cold spell.
Orange State is selling natural gas. It makes money from the infrastructure. Natural gas sellers are making money, and the owners of pipeline capacity are making money. Bills are expected to stay high in the coming months, but not as shockingly high as the past 2 months. Margie Schaefer, KCBS.
Authorities in Sonoma got several 911 calls. The masked person was being paid to promote the new Scream movie. The original 1996 Scream movie was actually filmed around Sonoma County.
KCBS News 213.
We'll talk NFL quarterbacks in 2 minutes.
If you have ever thought about remodeling your bathroom but were worried it would take too long or cost too much, then stop worrying. Right now, Jacuzzi Bath Remodel has designed a collection of high-quality custom products and perfected the one-day remodeling experience so you can enjoy your new bathroom faster than ever before. It's a worry-free bath remodel from the most...
Hey, cop stopped them just now. I'm going to give my dash cam to them.
9-866-9895. That's
Full-time readings of blood glucose levels. U.S. Med is an approved provider for Medicare and over